In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block dates Airbnb. If you're a host, keeping your calendar accurate prevents awkward inquiries and double bookings, and it takes just a minute. Start by heading to Airbnb.com. In the top right, click your profile icon and choose Switch to Hosting so you're viewing your hosting dashboard. From there, open Calendar for the listing you want to manage. To block dates, click directly on the date or dates you need to take off the market, choose Block, and then hit Save. Those dates will immediately become unavailable to guests. This is perfect when you're scheduling maintenance, planning personal use, or anytime the property is simply not available. If plans change, unblocking is just as simple. Click the block date, select unblock, and save to make it bookable again. While you're in the calendar, you can fine-tune pricing for specific nights. Click a specific date, edit the nightly price, add custom pricing for holidays or peak seasons, and save your changes. Adjusting strategically can boost occupancy and revenue, raise rates on busy weekends or local event dates, lower them during slower months, and consider last-minute discounts to fill gaps. Next, set clear availability rules so requests match how you operate. Go to Availability Settings and review the essentials. Set minimum and maximum nights to control stay length. Choose how much advance notice you require, like at least 1 day before check-in, add preparation time between guests for cleaning and turnovers, and define the days of the week guests can check in or out. These rules help align your calendar with your team's capacity and your property's needs. If you list on other platforms like Booking.com, Vrbo, or anywhere else, syncing calendars is critical to avoid double bookings. From Calendar, open Availability Settings, find Calendar Sync, and use the Import or Export iCal link options. Copy the link and paste it into your other platforms and bring their links back into Airbnb when needed, so availability stays consistent everywhere. Finally, if you manage more than one listing, switch to the multi-calendar view. You'll see all your properties on one screen and can adjust pricing and availability much faster, which is a big time saver for busy hosts and property managers.